Hey y'all, it's your girl Simply Rosita. Today I am back with another Temu haul. This time I am unboxing curtains that I got for $4.46. Can you rip this open, please? Okay guys, so the price, these is supposed to be 4 curtains, and that sounds pretty crazy, but originally they were for $6.47. I used a coupon for $5, bringing down the price of it to $1.47, and then I paid $2.99 for shipping, and that's how I ended up with the total for $4.46. And these are pretty good quality from what I feel so far. They're kind of longer than I wanted, so I'm gonna have to cut them. And they're kind of simple, just the simple bohemian theme. Trying to, I don't know if when I cut it. Okay, so this is kind of have to do a little trim work on here for the stitching. So these are supposed to be flowers. Is this a case where I didn't get what I ordered again? I ordered the wands with flowers on them, like a floral pattern, but these do not look like flowers. I guess it doesn't really matter. These are for my living room. Let me see if I got all 4. Sorry. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I got 4. Not sure it's the pattern that I wanted. I wanted the ones with the little flowers on there. These do not look like flowers, but they are kind of cute. It's just a thread in here, so I'm gonna have to get some work, do a little bit of work on that. And these are the 84 inches in length. They're wide. I think it was 50 something by 84. I usually use, I think it was 52 by 84. I usually use 63 length curtains, or 57 thereabout, because I prefer short curtains. So I'm gonna have to cut these, but the quality, it's like it's not flimsy. It's very thick. It can't rip easily. But yeah, this is what I got for my $4. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. And had I ordered more, I ordered this from a local seller on Temu, so I had to pay the $2.99 for shipping. If I ordered more for $30, I would have gotten the free shipping, but I didn't need more than this. I will have to double check that pattern though, because I think I got the wrong pattern. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.